Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 10. We'll explain about reduced instruction set architecture RISA. First, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Ananda Rahman Hakim, and my friend's name is Muhammad Dafa Saptrian. First, what is what is reduced instruction set architecture? Reduced instruction set architecture in mobile device is a processor architecture designed to execute a small set simple instruction quickly and efficiently. The example of processor that use RISC are the first is ARM. The example device that use ARM are smartphone, tablet, and IoT device. The next is MIPS. The device use MIPS. The example is such as the last console game like PlayStation 1 and 2, router, printer, and set-top box. And then there's SPARC. The device usually use SPARC are server computer and Unix operating system. And the last is PowerPC. They such as game console like Nintendo, Xbox, and then the last version of Mac OS, Mac computer. The next is characteristic of RISC. The first is use fewer and simpler instruction, and then instruction usually have a fixed length, so decoding is faster and easier. And then instruction are optimized for one CPU clock cycle. And the last is focus on load or store operation, separating memory access and ALU operation. How RISA work? The first, memory send address of the instruction to program counter, and then from program counter will send the address to program memory, and from program memory send to instruction register, and in instruction register fetch the instruction from program memory to the further processing, and then in decoder will translate the instruction from instruction register to machine language. In decoder will translate instruction to the basic operation like fetch data from register, process data in ALU, and store data in register in memory. And in controller, we'll control element data like arithmetic logic unit and register. And in datapad, we'll fetch relevant data from data memory and process, and then store back into register or memory. And the data memory require data to, and in data memory we'll provide input data for operation or stores the result. And then advantage from RISA. First is higher performance due to more efficient pipelines. What is pipelines? Pipelines is process to schedule the data flow, so to avoid the deadlock, starvation, etc. And then lower power consumption, and the last is simpler design for hardware implementation. And the next we'll explain with my friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Dafa Saprian. In this section, I will explain about IRM or Advanced Reduced Instruction Set Computer Machine. What is IRM? IRM is one of the most popular reduced instruction set computer-based processor architecture used in various devices such as smartphones, tablets, IoT, and embedded systems. IRM is used in smartphone chipsets such as Qualcomm Snapdragon, Apple A series, and Samsung Exynos. Characteristic IRM. First, use a reduced instruction set computer architecture for power efficiency and performance. Second, modular design for various needs or low power to high performance. Third, supports 32-bit and 64-bit instruction modes or IRM v8 onwards. Fourth, use pipelining techniques to increase efficiency by executing multiple instructions simultaneously. Next is IRM workflow. First, code the interface sends or retrieves program instruction from flash memory. Next, data and instructions needed by the ARM core are retrieved through their bus matrix, which connects the main components. Next, flash patch and breakpoint allows the ARM core to modify or correct data directly on the flash memory and monitor the running of the programs by adding breakpoints. And data watch point monitor change to certain data during a run. In memory protection unit, ensures that data access to memory is done with the correct permissions. MPU also prevents memory access violations by programs. And Nest NVIC or Nest Vectored Interrupt Controller handles the prioritization and the data distribution of interrupt received by the hardware. And WIC or Wake Up Interrupt Controller allows the data ARM core to enter a power saving mode and then wake up the system when important or interrupt occurs. Then instruction or data will be processed by the ARM core. In DAP or debug access port provides an external path to entering the debugging instructions and retrieve data from the ARM core for analysis. In serial wire viewer provides direct access to the data output, which is used to track application performance serially. And in ETM or embedded trace macrocell captures detailed information about the course of program execution or trace for analysis. In this section, I will explain about virtual keyboard. What is virtual keyboard? Virtual keyboards are used as peripheral input in the ARM architecture. ARM uses a GPIO or general purpose input-output interface or peripheral interface to communicate with hardware device such as a keyboard. Next is basic principles of keyboard usage. First, input signal from keyboard. And second, interrupt handling. Interrupt handling is ARM RSA uses interrupt to detect keystrokes, and interrupts from the keyboard are sent to the NVIC or Nested Vector Interrupt Controller, which tells the ARM core that there is an input that needs to be processed. Next is keyboard data process work steps. First, key press detection. In key press detection is the keyboard sends an input signal or logic 0 or 1 when a key is pressed, and this signal is received by the GPIO on the ARM. Second is interrupt generate. The keyboard generates an interrupt signal that is sent to the NVIC, and the NVIC tells the ARM core to stop the current process and handle the input from the keyboard. Third, interrupt processing in ARM core. ARM core runs the interrupt service routine or ISR, which is special program code to handle keyboard input. And the ISR reads the key codes from the keyboard via the GPIO or communication interface. Fourth, key code conversion. ARM core processes the scan code or key code sent by the keyboard, and this key code can be converted into ASCII characters or a format that can be understood by the system. Fifth, data output or feedback. After the data process, the results can be sent to the other peripherals, such as the display or memory. For example, one displaying press key characters on the LCD or monitor and storing the input on a memory buffer for future processing. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you find the information and knowledge about reduced instruction set architecture and advanced reduced instruction set computer machine.